Samsung Smart TV black screen problem troubleshooting. Are you staring at a black screen on your Samsung Smart TV right now? It is frustrating. You are ready to watch your favorite show, but the screen is just dark. You might think your TV is dead, but do not panic yet. You can fix this issue yourself at home. This video will show you exactly how to do it. Just follow these steps. Please leave a comment if you have any trouble. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Also, remember to like and share this video. Please subscribe to TechVibes for more fixes. First, try a soft power reset. Unplug your TV from the wall. Wait for 60 seconds, now plug it back in. This simple step fixes many software glitches by clearing the cache. Next, let us try a hard reset. Unplug the TV again, find the power button on the TV itself. Hold it down for 30 seconds. This drains all the remaining electricity from the boards. Now plug it back in and turn it on. Your screen might come back to life now. Check your cables and devices. A loose HDMI cable often causes a black screen. Unplug your HDMI cables. Plug them back in firmly. Ensure they are not damaged. Make sure your cable box or game console is actually on. Check the power lights. Verify your input source. Press the source button on your remote control. Cycle through all the inputs. Your TV might just be on the wrong channel. Try the flashlight test. Turn on your TV. Shine a bright flashlight very close to the screen. If you see a faint image, your backlight is broken. This means you need a professional repair. Disable your sleep timer. Go to settings, then go to general, then go to system manager. Then go to time, then go to sleep timer. Turn it off. Also, check your power saving mode. Update your TV software. Go to settings, then go to support, then go to software update. Select update now. A bug in the system might be causing the display to fail. If nothing else works, do a factory reset. Go to settings, then go to general, then go to reset. The default pin is 0000. This will wipe your settings, but it often fixes deep problems. Your Samsung TV should be working perfectly now. Stay confident. You have got this. Thank you for watching.